Hello guys, we will learn XPaths today. XPaths, how to identify the XPath. So with single attribute, XPath we will find out. Okay, suppose email ID is the right. Email ID. I'm going to right click on this element, highlight this element. Okay. So here we have class. Class is defined. Input is the tag name. And so ID is the attribute name, email is the attribute value. Name is the attribute name, email is the attribute value. So now So we are going to identify XPath based on the name. Okay. Copy this name attribute to follow. First, double slash input. So within the square brackets, you need to provide at the rate name attribute equal to what we have copied. See, that element is identified, right? One of one element is match. One of one element is match. So this is how you are going to identify a single attribute XPath elements. Okay. This is about single attribute XPath elements. Suppose name is there, right? You can go with ID also. ID is email, name is email, type is email. So any of the attribute, type is email. Okay. Type is email. Okay. So even placeholder is there. So when you are using placeholder, no, attribute name, you need to use zero elements are matching, right? So attribute value should be email. So email is the cap C, right? So now one of one element it will match. Okay, it is not matching, right? Oh, email star is there. That is the reason it is not match. Now see, it is matching. So this is how you are going to identify the element based on the ID, name, type. Okay, single attribute element. Same for password also. We are covering more examples. See, password, no? Here also we have ID is the name, is the type, is the placeholder is there, password star. See, placeholder is there, right? Password star is there. P caps, password star. See, it's highlighted, right? If you are going with name, then provide small p, take out the star. One of them match good. I hope this is very helpful, guys. Thank you.